But anyway, we want to invite you this coming Friday to the Owen Money fundraising event that's going to be held at the Q Project in Victoria. There's a massive lineup, so make sure you come down and buy a ticket to show support to Owen Money. If you cannot make it, please donate some money, buy a t-shirt or buy a wristband, because Owen really needs the proper healthcare. Unfortunately, me and Rancido won't be there, but Rancido has got a little message for you guys.
Pascal Moret and me have been working in the studio to make a special track for this charity event.
So we are really hoping to finish this track before Friday, before the event takes place. But anyway, we're gonna put it up on a Bandcamp page, and the sales will go fully to Owen Money. Thank you very much, and have fun this coming Friday. Peace.
What's up? This is Rancido.
What's up? This is Pascal Moret. We would like to invite you this coming Friday to the fundraiser. Yeah, that one? No. We cannot be there. But instead of being there, we're gonna donate a track of ours. We're going to be working in the studio on a new track, and we're gonna fully donate all the sales to Owen Money. We just fucked up.
I'm Rancido. This is Pascal Moret. We would like to invite you to our special charity event on September the 18th at the Q Project in London. Am I right? Am I right?
No, it's
Fabulous. I'm Rancido.
I'm Pascal Moret.
This is Rancido. And this is my ghost friend.
I'm a ghost friend.